In this video, I will be giving you a step-by-step guide on how to take a screenshot for iPhone, iPad and iPod. What is a screenshot? A screenshot is a picture of your iPhone, iPad and iPod screen. You can take a screenshot of anything on your Apple device. Here are some appearing now. Hello everyone, welcome to Adam's Apple Tech Guide YouTube channel. Hope you enjoy the video. Choose what you want to take your screenshot of. This is what I'm going to take my screenshot of. Take the screenshot for a iPhone or iPad without the home button. It is volume up and power button both at the same time. Take the screenshot for a iPhone or iPad with the home button. It is power button and home button both at the same time. Then tap here to edit your screenshot. To save it to your photos, just tap done. You can save it to your photos, save to files or delete screenshot or cancel. Here is my screenshot. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.